Hello everybody, Lux Trigo here. As always, welcome to the video and to the channel. Today, this video is gonna be all about Henry and Raven's theory test. In case if you don't know what the theory test is, it basically tests their knowledge of the rules, the road signs, and the possible situations that they might come across in the road when they're driving on their own. Usually, teenagers start their driving journey when they're like 17 years old, and they usually obtain these cards here. I'll show it to you. This is Henry's provisional license. Here we go. It allows them to be able to attend driving lessons, attend the theory test. So this is the purpose for it. It's color green, yellowish hint to it. So yeah. Also, when you pass your driving test, the final test where you drive a real car along with the examiner with you alongside, you're gonna obtain this proper driving license. It's more like a pinkish color, and this is the sign that you're a real UK driver. So yeah, so with this you could drive anywhere in the UK, and I don't know what other rules applies to this piece of card, but that's all I know. But this ensures that you could drive, you're a safe driver, and this shows that you're a qualified driver. So yeah, just to tell you there, guys. And they have to take this test before they take the final test, which is the one where they have to drive a real car, and there should be someone with them, which is usually the examiner, who's gonna examine them, obviously. In that test, examiner will see if they're really using their knowledge and skills that they have learned through the theory test. So that's another purpose for the final test, and that will ensure that they're a safe driver in the road. So that's what those are the tests that you have to take in order for you to become a driver here in the UK, guys. So just to tell you. So there you go, guys. I've given you all the information about what we're about to do. Well, what they are about to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and let's go to the vlog. Okay, how are you feeling, Henry?
I'm gonna fail.
Hey.
Gonna fail.
You, Raven?
I'm just neutral.
Okay.
There's no point worrying about it now.
It doesn't matter, like just do your best. You should be able to retake it anyways. Manage your time properly. That's all my message. So let's go.
Henry, you don't know?
No.
It's a stop sign.
Okay, guys, we arrived. The test center should be like right there at the very back or something. So we're just here waiting for the time to pass by.
Hi.
Okay, guys, they're going. So
dying.
do you have your provisional license, everyone? Yeah, I think it's the only thing that you need anyway. So let's go. Okay, we're going to the test center. Today's nice and sunny.
What do you mean sunny? It's cloudy.
It's a good sign. I don't want to jinx it, but I just want to say it. Ay, bangko din, guys, bangko. It is busy. Nara test center. Test center na. Okay.
For you.
Okay, ready? Here, this one.
Henry, you go.
Here you go. What are you doing? Just open the door. Why are you so scared? I don't know. Maybe there's just one door.
Hey, good luck. Okay, guys, magsuy-suruis ta. Let's roam around while waiting. It should take them an hour to finish the exam. And just like I told you earlier, there's gonna be two parts, which is the multiple choice and then the video simulation. Also, when I said earlier back in the intro where the UK license allows someone who owns it to go around the UK, but I think it also allows you to move around Europe as well. But it might have changed because gawas naman mi sa EU, European Union. So we got out of that union and there's probably a lot of policies that has changed. So yeah, I just don't know what's up anymore. Ay, manay library naman niyo. Murag close ni sila ron kay tungod sa COVID. I've been here a few times only. Most of the books that I read. Right now, nako sa Sinro, sa town center. I showed this area to you a few vlogs ago, which is, you know, remember there's the clock tower over there. Runabout. Tapos yung simbahan sa Katoliko dire guys. Mulabay ta. So turn this street here. This area as well, anhimig gapiyo pod sa una. Itong bago pa ming abot dire. Kani simbahan yo. Munag likod sa simbahan. Agi pa dire, may gamay hangyanan. Okay, so niliport rata guys. We just went around mana in front sa simbahan. Ano oh. So I'm trying to make my way back to the car. Hopefully they're doing well with their theory test. I'm gonna meet them there, so see you there. Okay guys, they're here. They finished their exam, so let's get to the main piece. Henry first, how did you do? How was the exam? Any comment about it before you reveal the score?
I didn't get anything.
Oh come on,
literally I guessed everything.
he's lying.
I didn't know, I didn't study. I was just watching manga.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, let's go.
Reading manga.
Let's go. Explain what you got. Explain what you got.
I got 43 out of 50, and I got 44 out of 75. Oh no, 59 out of 75.
So basically, he passed. Because just like I said earlier, you need 43 to pass the multiple choice one. So he passed. Good job.
I didn't study.
That's out of the way now. So what he had to do now is just take driving lessons and then take the final test. What about you, Raven?
I passed.
So explain what your score is.
I got a 44 from the multiple choice and 64 on the hazard perception.
Yeah. So the hazard perception, guys, I forgot the name of the, you know, because I just called it as video simulation, but that's the proper name for it. It's a hazard perception, isn't it? Yeah. So basically, can you explain what you do in hazard perception?
You basically just click on wherever you see any
Possible hazards.
Possible hazards.
Yeah, potential hazards.
Potential hazards, and that's basically it.
Yeah, but you cannot just like keep on pressing the screen.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
That's what I was doing.
Don't do that. You get banned.
Wait, but I didn't get banned on any of them. I was just like,
Yeah, so I mean, you don't have to worry about it now.
I was like
Yeah.
this in there. I was like,
How did you pass?
I don't know. I didn't.
So guys, yeah, that's a tick for their bucket list now of their lifetime. So that's out of the way. All they have to worry about now to obtain the proper license is just to take the final test, which is to drive a proper car, you know. But they have to take driving lessons first. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video there now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the content, please consider liking the video, and see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.